Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Uwant D100 cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner. I've owned and given away quite a few of these handy devices. It's such a time-saving option to getting your floors cleaned with less effort. This wet dry vacuum can lay flat at 180 degrees. The handle design makes this model unique, putting less strain on your wrists. Between the handle and the suction power, this added feature makes vacuuming and mopping even easier. It comes with a cleaning brush, extra filter, and cleaning solution. Not only does this clean the floors really well, I've used it diluted on other surfaces because I like the scent so much. It smells so clean. I left and came back the first time I used it and it smelled like I had the floors professionally cleaned. The battery life and functions are visible here. There's electrolyze clean, smart turbo, and dry. The clean and dirty water tank is located at the back and clicks off easy. This is where you fill up the water, and the directions say to use 30 milliliters of solution. This is combined wet and dry cleaning in one pass. The D100 vacuums and mops or picks up liquid spills in a single operation. Effective on many types of mess, it performs well on dust, hair, crumbs, light spills, and sticky residues on hard floors. Also, its roller is exposed on the side so it can clean close to baseboards or edges. After cleaning, it rinses the brush and then uses warm air to dry it, reducing the chance of mildew or odors from the damp roller. And as you can see, after the cleaning process, it is completely clean. After that coffee and jelly, it's all gone. You can't even tell that I cleaned up that mess. I also wanted to highlight the suction from the side. You can see how good that edge cleaning is, even for liquid messes. If you guys are interested in the Uwant wet dry vacuum cleaner, all the links will be in my description.